If you like awkward conversations with just one person to the camera, welcome. I feel like the right thing to do would be for me to like pause the video, figure this out, and then like come back. But am I gonna do that? So I've said that now. Welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you featuring flyaway hair. I think there's like a, yeah, there's a hair on me. Okay, oh shoot. Oh, that was loud. I lost my train of thought and this intro. It's day 2 of Box Week, April 2019. I don't know why the year's important. I guess I just feel like I have to say it. Since I can't say it right. I was looking at my hand as if I wrote a note. I was like, it's day 2. There's nothing. There's pen there, but there's not a helpful note there. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, don't know how I ended up here. Guessing you may or may not stay. If you like awkward conversations with just one person to the camera, welcome. If you're looking for something of any kind of professionalism, it was nice. It was nice having you here while you were here. So, Box Week is like the best week every month. I say like because to me it's the best, but to like somebody who's brand new might be like horrifying. It's the one week every month we spend like a day together every day. That doesn't make sense. One day every week. Nope. You spend a whole week together. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what my problem is. This has been like 3 months running where like I really just like don't know what to say. I'm getting to the point where I feel like I don't even need to say an intro like this anymore. I feel like we're just gonna roll with it. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it's just because I just want to get into it. It's like I gotta say all this stuff in the front end. I don't know what to do. So we're gonna open up a subscription box. If you like this, subscribe. If not, cool. I get it. Also, I guess I've heard a lot of professional YouTube folks saying, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. So, I've said that now. Not that I'm professional, but I guess I'd like to be professional. So I'm going to say what they say. Leave a like and a comment. Thumbs is up if you, yeah. Leave some feedback in the comments below. Or don't. Please don't. I honestly don't know if I want it. I don't know if I can take that. You know what I mean? You're like, leave feedback, but maybe don't. So, also we're gonna put items in our stockpile giveaway. This box here, I'm guessing it'll be full this month. So once it's full, we'll give that away. So basically I put stuff in there for my subscriptions. I keep some, give some. I do need a lot of stuff though. I hope one of these boxes has like some really bomb like lip balm. I tell you what, like Wisconsin is just like having some struggles with the weather thing. I get it. I have like personal struggles, like one day I'm happy, one day I'm snowing, one day I'm raining, one day I'm cold, you know, whatever, warm. So like basically my lips have been suffering. My lips are just like, we don't know how to feel, so we're just gonna feel dry. So I'm hoping a box this month has something like that. Also, I feel like this intro has been like 8 minutes. Oh, sorry. Hope you had time to hang. If not, well, okay. So we're going to be opening up BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a $21 per month subscription. If you watch this video till the end, you're like, I want to get that box. I have a code in the description box. You can just click it and you can get your own box. And basically, this is one of my absolutely most favorite subscriptions. You get 4 to 5 like deluxe size or full size items every month. This box usually is valued at least around $100, if not more. Sometimes around $200 a month. It's really worth the value. I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here, and he's gonna help me open up the box today. That's what he's gonna do. So we're gonna put him to the side. All right, it says peace, love, and Boxy on that. This little card will tell you about the items inside your box and basically what they're worth. So right on the top, ooh snap, we have a Luxie Beauty brush set, Summer Days brush set. Okay, this is like real pretty. Like this is real pretty. So you get a large shader, a small shader, and a small contouring brush. So personally right now, I'm actually good on brushes of these nature. So basically like a small eyeshadow brush, a big one, and a contour brush. So these are gonna be going into the stockpile giveaway. I think this is gorgeous. I love the color. I'm like super like, Yikes, so somebody's gonna get that. Next item that we have is a full-size Bodyography Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. So we're gonna open it up just to show you guys. So it looks like it is a bronze eye pencil. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. I don't need any products like this. Oh my god, I'm trying so hard to put this away without like dinging it. Okay, I don't know what the noise was about. I was like, I'm scared. So the Bodyography Bali Bronze Eye Pencil is going to be going into the giveaway box. So basically you can use this to like little eyeliner. I don't know, I don't really do eye pencil anymore. I've been like, so ironically lately I've been getting a lot of compliments on my eye makeup. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't really do eyeliner anymore. I just do like a flat tip brush and just do a little black up in the corner. I'm so lazy with my eye makeup these days, and it's ironic because I get more compliments than ever, and I'm just like, wow, when I was really trying, it didn't matter, but now that I'm not trying, it matters. That's just life, I guess. So the next thing that we have is, shut up! Oh my god, no! A Peel holographic lip gloss. You must be lying when you see this. Okay, first of all, obviously, they don't know that it's my birthday month or care about any of that, but it is my birthday month and I care, so I'm personally feeling like very excited to have this super shimmery lip gloss that I cannot get open. So I'm excited about it. I'm not opening it because I can't, but I'd like to. So this is very upsetting. I can't open the very exciting product. It is... This is upsetting. I'm like, come on, birthday gloss, come through. Okay, hold on. I think, dang it. Okay, we got it. We got it, fam. Don't even worry. Okay, so we have a really pretty clear holographic lip gloss. I'm like, stop! This is really cute. I'm excited. This made me very happy. Next thing that we have is, okay, oh my god, for real. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. So I won't even lie to you, Artist Couture is like my favorite highlighter brand, like period. Like I recently decided Purple Dream, okay, I don't even know what that's supposed to mean, but basically I have recently come to the decision that Artist Couture is the best milled highlighter, like loose highlighter on the market. Like I wear them whenever I can. Okay, Purple Dream, but it's like gold. Stop it. You guys, it's full size. Ugh. I'm trying to be cool. My emotions are just all over the place with this, like in a good way. I'm just excited. I'm really excited. Okay, let's get this open here. Is it open? I don't actually know. I feel like there's stickers on here. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Just bear with me. I don't know if I should like, I feel like the right thing to do would be for me to like pause the video, figure this out, and then like come back. But am I gonna do that? Probably not. After a very stressful battle, I was like, I gotta turn this off because I can't even, it was like taking me forever. We're now gonna test this out and see. So I wanna know why it's called Purple Haze, because this looks like a lot, obviously I'm guessing there's gonna be some kind of tint to it. But like I already have, I'm spilling, okay, I spilled it. I'm mad at me. I'm mad at me right now. Okay, stop it, look! That's so pretty. I'm gonna get this, it spilled on the box. We shall not let Artist Couture go to waste, and I'm just gonna get the parts that spilled out here and put it on, because I'm excited. So I am really like super excited. I feel like this box was for me. Like they were just like, girl, birthday month, birthday flow, we gonna get you a lip gloss in a shimmery holographic shade. We gonna get you some Artist Couture because that's your favorite. And it looks like there's still one more item. And it looks like it's a full-size eyeshadow palette. Pure Cosmetics Festival. Okay. This box, thank you. Like this is the outside of the box. Obviously, it's got some amazing eyeshadow colors in it. Like I'm just like, this just feels amazing. Like I told you, I love, love, love this box. If you're watching this still, after all the the fun little mistakes we've been having on here. For real, like, I want you to subscribe to this box if you haven't, like, and you're like, why am I not subscribing? You need to. Like, this box is amazing. If you're looking for a subscription, I always tell people this is the one you need to try. So it looks like we have Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So there's like an eyeshadow primer in here to try from them. And oh my goodness, this is the actual eyeshadows. I am like seriously in love. They have some intense like actual like pressed glitters here. I'm gonna try and take off this this cover on here. They have some like, it's like mostly neutral tones, but it's also got like these pressed glitters that are like, so they have actual like shimmers and pressed glitters. I'm gonna pull down my sleeve a little bit here and I'm gonna swatch some of these out for you. So this is the color Epic, Gypsy, we'll get that purple for sure. We'll get Wild Child, which is the pink. Oh my God, Wild Child, no way, dude. Look at that. Look at that pink. Seriously, that is absolutely nuts. We'll get a couple of the shimmer tones too. So Free Spirit, Psychedelic. I'm not gonna mess with the pressed glitter just because those usually struggle to come out and like properly adhere to you. But like these are just a few of the shades. I can't, what's wrong with my arm right now? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. I'm like really, really happy with this box. I'm excited to try out the actual glitters on my eyes. This box was really good. Like I'm honestly like so impressed with it. BoxyCharm always comes out swinging, but like I feel like this month they did just a phenomenal job. So quickly to recap, we got the Pure Cosmetics Festival Eyeshadow Palette, which is just amazing. It's got like these incredible pressed glitters here, which you can see. I'm gonna try and see if the camera will focus on it just a little bit better for you. We've also got, hold on here, 1 second. We've got the Artist Couture full-size highlighter in the shade Purple Dream, which I put on right there to show you. We got the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss, which is right there. We also got the Boxy, the Bali Bronze Bodyography eyeliner, which is right there, as well as the 3-piece Luxie Beauty Summer Days full-size, 3 full-size makeup brushes. So overall, I am super happy with this month's box. I think it was great. Like I said, you know, if you're looking for a box sign up for, this honestly is one of the ones I recommend to people the most. If you have it in your budget, I would definitely recommend getting it. I feel like every month they have a good box. I think very rarely, I don't know if it's been more than a year that I've gotten a box I've been kind of like, about. Even then I usually can find some kind of value and something exciting in it. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is who I am. I'm really frustrated with myself right now over the intro of this video. And unfortunately, I don't feel like I can make it any better, so we're just going to move forward. If you are brand new